Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to do the MCQs 10th class, that is gaseous exchange. So the first MCQs is the process of gaseous exchange involve. Option number 1, breakdown of carbon hydrogen bond to yield energy. Option number B, physical movement that take in air and out of body. Option number C, getting oxygen from the air and removing carbon dioxide. Option number D, transport of oxygen by the blood to the different parts of body. The correct option is getting oxygen from the air and removing carbon dioxide. Question number 2. Most of the gaseous exchange in the leaf occur through. Option number A, stomata. Option number B, general surface. Option number C, cuticle. Option number D, lenticels. The correct answer is option number A, which is stomata. Question number 3. How many bronchi are there in air passageway? Option number A, 1. Option number B, 2. Option number C, many. Option number D, none. The correct answer is option number B, that is 2. Question number 4. Where does the gaseous exchange occur in human? Option number A, pharynx. Option number B, trachea. Option number C, bronchi. Option number D, alveoli. The correct answer is option number D, which is alveoli. Question number 5. Which structure actively helps in taking the air out of the lungs? Option number A, nasal cavity. Option number B, bronchus. Option number C, bronchiole. Option number D, diaphragm. The correct answer is diaphragm. Question number 6. The primary chemical stimulus for breathing is the concentration of. Option number A, carbon dioxide in the blood. Option number B, oxygen in the blood. Option number C, carbon dioxide in the muscle. Option number D, oxygen in the muscle. And the correct answer is carbon dioxide in the blood. That is option number A. Question number 7. Point out the false statement about respiration. Option A, gases can easily pass through the walls of alveoli. Option number B, gas exchange in the lung is very efficient because lungs provide large surface area. Option number C, in emphysema the walls of the alveoli break and there is more surface area. Option number D, dust particle can damage the lungs by irritating the inner alveoli surface. The correct answer is in emphysema the walls of alveoli break and there is more surface area. That is option number C. This is the false statement about respiration because in emphysema the alveolar walls break down and they decrease the surface area. Question number 8. A disease involving in the breakdown of air sacs of the lung is. Option number A, pneumonia. Option number B, bronchitis. Option number C, asthma. Option number D, emphysema. The correct answer is option number D, emphysema. Question number 9. Which process does not occur in nasal cavity? Option number A, trapping of large dust particles. Option number B, humidification of inhaled air. Option number C, warming of inhaled air. Option number D, exchange of gases. The correct answer is option number D, which is exchange of gases. Question number 10. What type of blood vessels surround the alveoli? Option number A, artery. Option number B, arteriole. Option number C, capillary. And option number D is vein. The correct answer is option number C, which is capillary. So students, these are the MCQs of the first chapter, that is gaseous exchange. You need to understand the reason behind these MCQs. The most important question from gaseous exchange, that is short question, is what part of the blood transport oxygen from lungs to the cells of the body? So student, this is the most important question and the answer of this question is hemoglobin. which is found in the red blood cell. Hemoglobin is actually a protein, a red pigment which is found in the blood. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the cells of the body. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज का लेसन आपको समझ आया होगा। मैं मिलूंगी अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास में एक नए लेसन के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।